Have you been to Louisiana? Not just the French Quarter, not just the parades, but the swamps larger than some countries, the tombs that shine in the heat, and the castles that share stories with the river. Stretching across southern Louisiana, the Atchafalaya Basin is the largest swamp in the United States. Cypress knees rise from dark water. Moss hangs low like medieval tapestry. Herons glide through the silence. 18 miles of highway cut across the water, but from above, it feels like the road is floating through another world. It feels endless, a world built from water and time. Near Bro Bridge, the swamp opens into Lake Martin. Cypress trees rise like pillars from still water. Rookeries of herons, egrets, and spoonbills crowd the trees. At sunrise, the lake glows like copper. At dusk, the air hums with wings. You don't just see life here, you feel it move around you. South of Lafayette lies Avery Island, home of Tabasco, yes, but beneath the brand is a salt dome older than the Gulf itself. Jungle gardens, bamboo groves, alligators sleeping in the shade. It is a fusion of cultivation and wildness, Louisiana in miniature. In the heart of New Orleans stands St. Louis Cemetery No. 1. The dead rest above the ground. Marble tombs rise in rows, their names worn by rain and time. Here lies Voodoo Queen Marie Laveau, and thousands of others whose stories built the city. The air is still, as if memory itself has weight. In Baton Rouge, a Gothic Revival castle rises above the Mississippi. Stone towers, spiral staircases, stained glass glowing like fire. Lawmakers left long ago, but footsteps are still said to echo at night. Now it holds ghosts of debates and flashes of history. It's a monument to the past that refuses to be still. This isn't the Louisiana of beads and brass bands. It's older, quieter, wilder. A land of swamps and salt domes, tombs and castles. Have you been to Louisiana? Maybe it's time to look again. Follow along with Have You Been To so you don't miss our next location, and tell us your favorite Louisiana gem in the comments.